Hi guys, it might sound weird because I think it'll sound weird because I didn't have my headphones on. It got broken. So we're gonna play random duos and then what? I'm gonna play with this guy. If you just wait. Silence. So nothing went wrong. Hello? Hello? Can you make me party leader? I'm filming a video right here. Can you make me party leader? Yep, then. I'm filming a video here. I don't have time to watch your stupid dance because where's my because I have it. If we're done this whole time showing off, fine. Come on, just ready up. Oh my god. Okay, that was a weird one. He didn't play. Okay, we're gonna do random duos. Tell them we are a YouTuber. Try to tell them to subscribe, which you guys should do, and using only one weapon. And telling him to join for using one weapon. Okay, that's a lot of stuff actually. I usually get solo duos, so not pretty impressed. So yeah, I'm not impressed. Bam 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 bam. Look at his head, it's just coming off. Yes, I changed it. Yes, don't bully me. Why you gotta bully me? I muted myself. Wait, did I? How'd you mute yourself? I'm trying to mute myself. Okay, I'm not muted. Told you, what did I say? What did I say? What did I say? This was bad time. Please, I believe. I believe I can do this. Fingers crossed. Here, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed here. Everybody's in here, fingers crossed. Let me make you see this. I'm leaving match. Second. And now is this guy. We're going to fight. Hello? 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 You guys gonna leave? I'm currently filming a channel here. No. You know what? I'm changing this video's name. I'm doing solos. Now I'm doing team rumbles. But only using one weapon. I'm the scared cat you guys can call it that way. But I'm the shit damn biggest memer. I don't think I'm bigger than Laser Beam, but Laser Beam She's gonna go to hell. You didn't know his song. Here's a lesbian, he should be. Here's a piss pop through enter. Here's a piss roster, they say. He was gonna go to heaven, but he went the other way. He went down, 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 sip, sip, sip. What do you think of lesbian? He's alright. I wanna say he's alright. I'll say he's the best meme alright. Let's count there. Okay, shush, silence. I said silence. You know, no, I hate this thing. I really do. I really do. If I find a sniper, I am him. Oh yeah. But okay, using one weapon only. What's that? Look at my game, so. Sorry. I feel so weird. But I feel so weird to doing this channel. First weapon? Seriously? Oh, I'm getting wrong. I don't get how much I love this game now. I can't replay, but I'll just replay what I said. I hate this game sometimes, but now I love it. Actually, don't. Look at it, it pictures me. Why do they spill it all over their face without a tissue? Using only meds now. Maintain full health and shield. I already did. What does it mean? I already did maintain full health and shield. Viewers, what should I do? Sorry, scope assault rifle. Bye. If there's a sniper, I would definitely change. You might think I'm weird, but I am. Okay, you know, I can have anything else like cartoons. Unless if I take damage, I have to, take off all my shield. I mean, everything. That's what happens. Ooh, I suppose this is, this is my book. Bulls. I call bullets bulls now. Because I love those bulls. I think I broke this guy's body. Look at me. Oh my god. No, I'm just switching this. Yeah, 4 more left. Look at that, kids and boys. Boys and kids. Sorry, but... Oh, Boogie. Why didn't I? I don't know if you heard that, but that was fucking crazy for me. I'm just waving out of here. Using only one weapon, the best start. Okay, now let's use No! Let's change this tile into 2 weapons then. Please. Please. Please! Yes, thanks. People who say yes, you're the best. You don't have to subscribe. You say yes, always. But people who say no, subscribe immediately. You say no. But if you said yes and subscribed, you're the best. I never seen that. Come on, let's make this fair. I can only use a minigun for a little bit of time. Now I'm changing this title. I am making it one gun only. I was doing that with my friends, but I didn't now because they were late. But I'm gonna make this just plain T-Mobile. I don't know if I've done that video already once, but I'm doing it. Don't bully me. I've changed this title so much times, and I finally figured out what it is. Dun dun! You know, I'm just gonna waste this. It's good out here.